What's the meaning of bruise? Bruise. Bruise.
Bruise. Bruise. A bruise is a mark on the skin caused by swelling or bleeding underneath. It usually appears as a black, blue, or purple spot on the surface of the skin and is often the result of an injury, such as a bump or a fall. The area around the bruise may also feel tender or painful to the touch. Bruises are typically harmless and will go away on their own over time, but if they are particularly large or painful, it may be necessary to seek medical attention to rule out any underlying issues.